So I say, honestly, the best thing for people to do would be when you have a little hit, little intuitive hit, and it worked, write it down. Keep a little booklet of your intuitive hits, and you begin to see that. What did I feel before that? Before that knowledge came in, what was I doing? What was I experiencing? And you begin to see patterns. We are normally we look for patterns. That's how we think. We look for patterns. And so when you establish a pattern, you learn to trust it.
Yeah, it's very important. That validation you need, writing down those weird off things during the day that, just, and then a synchronicity happens or whatever.
Right.
Yeah, it's important to not just go through your day and forget about it, but to write it down and validate it.
Right. Engage it. Don't be on rote, cruise control with just the physical. Do that interplay with what is going through your imagination, in your mind, and then seeing when or where it does show up.
We've learned from a very young age to vilify our imaginations. When we're very young, use your imagination, and then all of a sudden there's a switch. Don't use your imagination. Now use your knowledge. And so we put away our imagination. Right. But when we re-engage that, it's almost like looking at things with that childlike wonder. I wonder if I thought that I'm going to only get green lights on the way home tonight, what would happen? What's the difference? If you don't, you don't. But at least you use your imagination in engaging yourself and not vilify it. Our brains, the information that we receive has to come through our imagination to form thought or picture. So we have to use it.
I like that.